everyone, and welcome back to CJL Aviation. I hope you're having a great week so far. Today we're going to be taking a look at the American Airlines Airbus A321 in the Medal of Honor livery. So let's take a look at this box. As always, this is pretty standard Gemini Jets packaging. We got a picture of the aircraft on there. Super cool. Love the Medal of Honor title that's applied to the back of the aircraft. Let's take a look inside. There's the airplane. Here's some information on the A320 family. Feel free to pause and read if you would like. On the side, we've got 1/400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality. Yes, it is. There's some more. And we got some more. Adult collectible model. And as real as it gets, as always, there's the American Airlines logo. And that's pretty much it for the box. So let's get to the exciting stuff and open this up. Alrighty, here's our first look at that American Airlines A321 in the Medal of Honor livery. And let me tell you, it is a real beauty. I love that light blue, that baby blue that they have applied to the winglets as well as the rear of the aircraft. But here, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alrighty, so there are a lot of really small details on this aircraft that I'll try to point out. But let's start at the nose. You can see some blue lettering on the front. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it says Flagship Valor on it. That's really cool that they included that detail. And then we got the American Airlines logo. And then we got the Medals of Honor on the side of the aircraft. And then on the winglets also it says, has the American Airlines logo, and then it says Flying with Valor as well, and it has some stars on there. As we move to the back of the aircraft, we got that Medal of Honor, and we got the tail number, November 167 Alpha November, and the American flag. And there's some gold words underneath Medal of Honor. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but some of them say courage, sacrifice, integrity, things like that. And then the top of the aircraft, we've got our antennas. We've got 3 on there, as well as our Wi-Fi dome. We got the beautiful American Airlines tail, and we got the beacon on top, as well as some other markings. And the wing looks great as well as the engine. We got some markings on there, looks really beautiful. And then for the other side of the aircraft, pretty much the same thing. I just wanted to say, the American Airlines gray can be really hard for model aircraft manufacturers to get. But out of the models I have so far, this one probably looks the most closest to reality. It's pretty hard to get perfect, but it looks really, really good. All right, and here we've got the bottom of the aircraft. We've got our landing gear, which do roll, which is always a great feature. We got the Gemini Jets logo, as well as you can see the rest of the blue from the winglets, which looks really good. In the aft, you can see the lavatory and the water servicing panels, as well as many other markings. It looks very great. We've got a hole in there for if you want to put this aircraft on a stand as well to display it. It is that time again where I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some pictures of this aircraft for you to enjoy and to savor the flavor of this beautiful livery. But go ahead and kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. Welcome back, and now it's time for my opinion on this aircraft model. First of all, I just want to say Gemini Jets did a wonderful job. The mold looks perfect for the A321 and the American Airlines livery. The color just looks great. And this is a great addition to your model aircraft fleet if you're looking for more American Airlines planes. And if you want more variety, it's always nice to have a special livery. And the A321 is pretty popular in American Airlines fleet, so it's great to add some realism if you're looking for that. But overall, it's just a really great aircraft, and I would definitely recommend giving it a buy. But thank you everybody for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And leave a comment on whether or not you think this is a great livery, a great special livery on the American Airlines A321. But I hope you all have a great rest of your day and a fantastic week.